Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Gofundme to your Cash app. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So first thing you need to do is open up the Gofundme app on your phone, and then you need to click on this set up your transfers, because before transferring your money you need to set up transfer that so that your money can be transferred to your bank account. So just click right here. Then it will ask you to where you want to transfer these funds. If you want to transfer your funds to your bank account or someone else bank account, so just select any of them. So I'm going to click on my bank account. After that, it will ask you to verify your email address and then verify your information. So you first have to do these two steps. So first complete these two steps, and then you need to click on this add a bank account. Then you need to provide if you want to add your bank with the provider, or if you want to enter the bank details manually. So if you want to choose with the provider, you need to enter your bank credentials, or if you don't have any your online banking credentials, you can use this second option. So it's totally depends on you which option you want to choose. So once you have selected any of this option and connected your bank, this is how it will look like. So just click on this complete button. After this, then need to select the transfer frequency if you want to transfer the funds from your GoFundMe to daily or any other specific days. So you can simply select it. After this, simply click on this next button. Then once you have transferred the money from GoFundMe to your bank account, you need to open up your Cash app and then click on this profile icon at the top. Then it will open up your profile page. So from here you have to scroll down and you will see this option linked banks. So just click on that. Right after that, you need to click on this link bank option. Then it will open up a plaid. So you need to use a plaid to connect the account to your Cash app. So just click on this continue button at the bottom. After this, select your bank account from here and enter your bank details. And once you have connected your bank account to Cash app, this will show you this screen. So from here, simply click on this done button. And after this, you need to open up your Cash app again, and then you need to click on this balance from the bottom of your screen. Then it will take you to this page where you have to click on this add cash button. After you click on that, it will show you this screen. From here you have to select the amount that you want to add to your Cash app, and simply you need to click on this add button. Then it will ask you to choose a payment method. So choose that bank for. So basically you need to choose the bank that you use to transfer money from your GoFundMe. Then you need to use that bank as a payment method in Cash app to add this amount. And once you do that, your money will be transferred from GoFundMe to your Cash app. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.